So now we have a different situation coming up. We have a situation where the intersection happens outside of the circle. Like over here, the intersection happened inside the circle or on the circle, right? And we have our formulas. But over here, we have the intersection of the two secants or tangents happening outside of the circle, here, and at point R, outside of the circle. So then we have three different kinds of situations. We have a situation where the secants are intersecting within the circle, right here. We have a situation where one of the secants is intersecting inside of the circle, and the other is a tangent, right? And then we have a situation over here where they're both tangents. And we have different formulas for both of them, right? So, or all three of them. So the one where we have two secants that are intersecting outside of the circle, it is the arc AD and BE, the two intercepted arcs, right? Subtracted from each other. So the bigger one minus the smaller one divided by 2. And then if we have one secant, one tangent, then it is going to be the measure of the arc GKJ, the bigger, minus the smaller, GH, divided by 2. So this is the same. Are they all the same? MTN minus MN divided by... Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so they're all the same. So it's the bigger arc minus the smaller arc divided by 2. Okay. So anyhow, we're going to use this to solve problems, right? So then over here we have this example. We have the two secants intersecting at point P. And so we know we want to find the angle measure of MPN. So it's measure of angle MPN is going to equal to, remember, the bigger arc minus the smaller arc divided by 2. So it's going to be 34 minus 18 divided by 2. So that's going to be 16 divided by 2, which is going to be 8. So that's 8 degrees. Let me double check because that sounds a little bit off. 34 minus 18 is going to be... yeah, that sounds good. Wait, does it sound good? No, that's not right. My goodness, let me just get a calculator. So 34 minus 18 is 16. Yeah, no, I'm right. So it's going to be 8 degrees, and that's that. Right. So why don't you go ahead and now flip over the page, complete these last problems here, and I'll go over the answers in the next video.